Hello all, today we will see how we can run a shell script by taking the parameters like EC2 S3 storage bucket from AWS and we can show it in the instance. So I have already logged into the EC2 instance. Here I have written a script. I'll explain the script. So here we have written a shebang and then author, my name, the date, the information what this script gives. It gives AWS S3, EC2, Lambda, IAM. Set X is used for debug mode. And here we want to list AWS S3 buckets. So to get this command, what we did is we went into this documentation, AWS command, CLI command reference for S3. S3 is a storage bucket. Clicked on S3. Now we want to list, these are the available commands. CP is for copy, MB is for make bucket, MB is for move. So we can just list out the S3 buckets. Click on ls. So that's the command AWS S3 ls. So that's what we have given here. Next set is list AWS EC2 instances. Same way, let's go back. Let's search EC2. This is EC2. Here we want to just describe this is describe instances. So we have given AWS space EC2 space this one describe instances. And then list AWS Lambda functions. Just go back, search for Lambda. And then list functions. This one. And then list IAM users. List users. This one. We have given this as well. Escape colon WQ and then save. Chmod change mod AWS underscore resource tracker dot slash AWS. So if you see AWS S3 LS, these are the S3 bucket. Then AWS EC2 describe instances. This is the complete thing of the instance. All the details it is describing. and then we are not having any functions, so it is empty, and users also it is currently empty. We just So the command which we have given is still here. If you want to describe only the instance ID, then pipe will give the pass the output of this to this input. JQ is the JSON parser. So why we have given reservations here? Because find in the terminal instance ID find. So here is the instance ID. If we want to print this instance ID, the instance ID is under instances. Instances is under reservations. That's how we have given. Press enter. This is the instance ID. If we want, for example, the public IP address, enter. So it has printed this. Same way you can print anything. This is how we access. So the ones who didn't watch my previous video, I'll show how to install AWS CLI. So if you search for AWS CLI, this is the documentation we have. You can search for AWS CLI install. So we are using Linux machine. I'll show how to install. I have already installed, hence I'm showing how to reinstall. I'm just removing this. Yeah, it won't allow, I guess. APT. Okay, it's removed. So Linux. To install Linux CLI, run the following commands. Copy, paste, enter. It's downloading. Download the installation file. And the second step is optional, so we can ignore. The third step, copy, unzip, it's done. Fourth step, and then check whether it is installed or not. It's done. So if you go log into the AWS, click on the profile, click on security credentials. Here I have created one access key already. You just need to click on create access key. I understood creating the root access is not, but I still want one. As of now, we are creating one. Then create access. So you'll get a key and the secret access key. Just click on done. If you give AWS configure command, it will ask for the AWS access key ID. Then you need to copy this. I have already entered, so I'm just pressing enter. Secret access key, that password which we have downloaded, which we have copied in the previous one. Enter. Default region, you can give US East one, and then the output we can give as JSON. Press it. That's it. So you can access anything. AWS S3 LS gives anything. AWS IAM list users. Yeah. This way we can access anything by using the AWS CLI. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Bye.